Do you know Lapita?
No, what's that?
Ghibli.
I don't know it.
Yeah.
No. Is that one of his movies? One of the Ghibli movies?
Lapita is like that kind of cloud.
Oh, yeah.
Inside
Yeah.
has a castle.
Oh, okay. Ghibli loves those clouds. Man.
Yeah.
The skies always
Yeah.
look like amazing.
And most of the movies they made, people can fly.
Yeah, exactly.
Somehow.
Exactly. There's always somebody flying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen a few. I haven't seen Lapita, but I've seen
Totoro, maybe.
Totoro and Sento Chihiro.
Sento Chihiro is good.
Yeah, it's really good. I think that's my favorite. おお、すごい。彼の
Today's paint.
素敵。
はい、お疲れ様です。今日は8日ですね。今日はですね、もうすでにレッスンが終わりまして、いや、終わってない。1個終わりまして、この後、サムが来てレコーディングをします。で、夕方、夜、またレッスンがあります。なので、その間だけ、ちょっとサムとレコーディングします。もうすぐ来ると思うけど、アコギ取んのかな？何やるんだろう。
はいはいはい。はいはい暑いね今日すごいね台風カミンね Yeah, man.
お疲れ様 Hey man You want iced coffee?
Sure.
Yeah
That's great.
We're gonna do acoustic or electric?
Probably acoustic.
Okay. What?
That's the one I forgot. I forgot the mic. We're doing electric.
Okay, let's do electric.
Yeah. I forgot the mic. I knew I was forgetting something. That's cool though. We can do electric.
Yeah, we can do electric.
Yeah. I've got new in my spare time, and once the war is over. Yeah, I don't know. Let me search for it.
Yeah.
Well, there's no files yet. Crazy. I think let's just drop this one. Okay, how about this new one we did the other day, In My Spare Time? We did that once at Gotti Gotti the other day. So this is just stick and vocal.
I'm jumping through hoops, running across town, honing my act, gonna break the house down, writing your name with smoke on the wind. Baby, can't you hear me? I'm just round the bend in my spare time.
Well, I like electric, man. It sounds great. Really nice. What do you need? Anything? Different guitar?
This one is pretty new.
Yeah, new song. Yeah. I know. You don't really exactly have a part yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this guitar is pretty low tuning.
Try it. Try one.
You got a certain something, a certain je ne sais quoi.
That sounded good. The only problem I'm hearing with this part is that there's some notes that are just too. It's making it too muddy. Like there's too much sustain or something. Is there any way that note can like die a little quicker? Yeah, it'd be better if you muted. I think so. Especially that first note.
Okay.
The second one's not such a problem. Do. That first chord change, I still want to hear some low note, but you don't have anything, right, to go to.
Yeah, this note is lowest.
Yeah, that's lowest, right?
Note.
Yeah. Maybe later we can like actually tune it down a little further and just give me like one low note there. Yeah. See, that'd be great. Could you do the whole thing without tuning?
Yeah.
Is it too crazy? Tune it down that low?
Mm.
Every so often I stumble on the perfect path in my spare time.
Mr. Bassman.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, now I have two ideas.
Cool.
And I like this process, you know. You just have really naked, like simple idea. We just mess around, and then next time you adding like percussion or tweak my guitar, and then I have another idea come up and you know try something else, and you know I like this process.
Me too. Very organic.
Yeah.
I'm jumping through hoops.
Try a slightly slower one. I like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Somewhere down the
Lovely. Great. So what's your other idea?
Oh yeah. The other one is so volume kind of swell.
Yeah. Let's try some. Sounds really good. Okay, I'm just gonna put you in record. Mess around.
Yeah, just mess around with
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dude, I love that stuff.
Oh, good.
So good.
Oh, good.
So beautiful. Just put down another whole track of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do this time lower one.
Yeah, sure. It's great. Love that.
Good.
somewhere down the line. In my spare time.
That's just crazy beautiful, dude. Crazy beautiful. I love that so much. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's good.
I mean, what should I do? I should like bow down to you. That was really great. Love that sound, man.
Yeah.
In my spare time.
It's like a Asian, like China kind of vibe.
Yeah, I know. It sounds exotic.
Yeah. China, Mongolian kind of.
Boring. Oh yeah, that's really good, man. Really good. I'm really happy.
Yeah, it says boom mansion. Soundproof. Looks like studio, yeah.
Studio. What is it about this neighborhood? There's like a lot of places in this neighborhood, right?
Yeah,
For
yeah.
musicians like
Because there's a
Oh, the music
Musashino
school.
Music
Yeah,
University
Yeah.
and also Nichige, the art school. So a lot of musicians live in here.
I wonder how it's rent.
It must be expensive.
Yeah.
うわいきなり来た。
It's
いき
raining.
なり来た。
来た。
やばい。
雨。
強い。
やばい。
やばいやばい。うわうわうわうわうわうわ。
Nah. Oh man.
Wow.
I don't know. Maybe we better duck in somewhere.
はい、お疲れ様です。今日はね、サムとレコーディングをしてたんですが、台風が近づいております。もう、現在12時近いので、もうあと2時間ぐらいでね、多分最接近しているというか、もう直撃するんじゃないかと言われております。でね、今ちらっと外見たんですけど、結構激しく雨が降ってます。もうここから先は外出しません。ということで、いただいたですね、焼酎、 キッチョムを飲みながら今夜はね、家出ないでおとなしく部屋で過ごそうと思っております。美味しいこの焼酎、なんかとろける感じ、甘みがあるいいお酒ですよね。いやー、台風今回ね、いつもだったらこう陸をこうなんつうの、関西の方からのこう流れてくるでしょ、陸を経由して。で今回もういきなりもう海から太平洋からもう東京みたいな感じで来てるから、すっごいんだと思います。ちょっとわかんないけど詳しいことは。もうね、蒸し暑いもん、すごい。で雨も激しく今降ってますし、大丈夫かねこれ。ちょっと YouTube のね天気予報とか見てて、冠水注意みたいなエリアがこう出てたんだけど、もうほぼ関東全部もう冠水みたいな感じになってて、大丈夫ですかこれ。本当に怖いね。東京なんか地下鉄大丈夫なの？どういう仕組みになってんだかわかんないけど、水たまんないのかねこれ。ちょっと心配です。で明日がレッスン一応ね明大前で入ってるんですけど、まあ昼以降だからその頃には通り過ぎてるんじゃないのっていう天気予報では言ってるんで、まあ今のところはレッスンやる予定でいますけど、特に生徒さんにもね連絡しないでいますが、まあ通常であれば台風の時って分かんないから振り替えでね別日にしましょうってもうやるんだけど、まあちょっと様子見ますね。明日また朝様子見ます。あー美味しい。はい、では今日はこの辺で、ちょっとね台風来てますからおとなしくしてます。ではまた明日。